another sunny but cold and windy day. I don't really know how far to go. We're going to Plymouth, and I think it's in Eastern time zone, so we'll lose an hour, I'm guessing, but I'll see when I get there what time it is, and that's the plan. So here we go. Been on this road here for like 40-ish K. Got about another 30 to go on it. We'll be arriving in Plymouth, Indiana. Pretty short day today, just over 90. Made it to Plymouth, Indiana. Really not much notable today, just was on that Highway 30 for most of it, with big shoulders and easy cruising. One thing that's actually good to know, I'm in Eastern time zone now, so that's good. That's a big thing mentally for me, is now I'm on the same one as Maine, so even though I got a ways to go, the end is in sight for me, so that's good. I think I'm going to show you kind of inside how I make the video today, just show you the steps and how she goes. So yeah, first I start off with my Garmin, and I connect it to my iPhone through my mobile app, Garmin Connect. After that, I open my Relive app. This is the app I use to make that video at the end of each video where it shows my route for the day. Once that's done, I go to my Polar Steps app and update my live tracking app. Once that's done, I go to my camera and select all the videos I took from the day, and I airdrop them to my computer so I can start making the video. I go to my folder and I select all the videos I've had for the day. I open up where I keep all my videos for this whole trip, marked out by day. So I can go back if I need to and search for the folders and find the exact video I'm looking for. Next, I open up Premiere Pro. This is the software I use to edit my videos. I'll start up a new project. Then I have to import all the videos from my folder that I just downloaded from my phone. So I drag those in. I get my music from Epidemic Sound. It's royalty-free music, so you can use it on YouTube, and I have a folder where I just keep that in there. Now to start the video, I just drag clips in pretty much, and then you drag in the music. And I'll spare you the details of editing the video completely, but it's basically just dragging, cutting, increasing sound, decreasing sound to the music. So this is what the final video looks like. I'll export it. I've sped it up because it takes a while to do that. Once it's exported, I'll go to YouTube and I'll drag it in for the upload. Now while that's uploading, I'll open up a new tab for YouTube and I'll go to my previous videos and I'll copy the description and I'll place it in there and I'll customize it for today's video. I'll go back and copy all the tags, post them in. I'll change the title. I'll put it on the playlist and then I'll change the thumbnail. While that's loading, I'll copy the link and I'll go to my website and embed it into my website so you guys can go on there and find it. Now once that's updated, I also put all this on Instagram and Snapchat, and everything goes live at the same time. That's how the video's made, so thanks for watching. I'll see you tomorrow and keep her not so bad. Bye now.